Imagine stepping into your garden in the early morning light. The air is crisp. The soft murmur of water fills the space as koi fish glide effortlessly beneath the surface. The scene is peaceful, tranquil, almost surreal. Now, what if you could bring this vision to life in your own backyard? A pond that is not only stunning but also designed to match your unique aesthetic. Whether you prefer a minimalist retreat, a sleek modern oasis, or a charming traditional haven, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to Archon Aesthetic Studio, your go-to destination for stunning home and garden inspirations. If you love creative ideas and want to transform your space into a peaceful retreat, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and share your own ideas. And if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and post it on your WhatsApp status. Let's inspire more people together. Common challenges in pond design. Many homeowners dream of having a koi pond, a serene water feature where vibrant fish swim gracefully beneath the surface. But without proper planning, that dream can quickly turn into frustration. One of the most common mistakes is poor design integration. A pond that looks out of place in the garden, lacking harmony with its surroundings. Instead of enhancing the landscape, it becomes an awkward addition. Another issue is water clarity and maintenance. Algae growth, murky water, and poor filtration can turn a beautiful pond into a stagnant pool. Koi fish need clean, oxygenated water to thrive. And without the right setup, maintaining that balance becomes a constant struggle. And then there's aesthetic inconsistency. Choosing the wrong plants, materials, or water features can result in a cluttered, unbalanced look. Instead of a peaceful retreat, the pond feels chaotic. So, how do we avoid these common pitfalls and create a koi pond that is not only stunning but also easy to maintain? Let's explore the best design approaches, starting with minimalist elegance. Designing for minimalist elegance. A minimalist koi pond is all about simplicity and balance. Clean lines, natural materials, a perfect blend of water, stone, and greenery. This style is heavily inspired by Japanese Zen gardens, where every element is intentional, where less is more, and where negative space plays a crucial role in creating a sense of tranquility. Key design elements. Simple geometric shapes. Instead of irregular forms, opt for a rectangular or circular pond for a structured, elegant look. Natural stone borders. Smooth, understated stones that blend seamlessly with the landscape. Avoid overly decorative elements. Native plants with controlled placement. Instead of dense vegetation, use selected aquatic plants sparingly. Bamboo, water lilies, or floating moss add life without overwhelming the space. Hidden filtration systems. Keep the focus on the water's clarity. A well-concealed filter ensures a pristine pond without visible pipes or pumps. The result is a space that feels open, balanced, and calming. A true retreat where koi fish become the living art within the composition. Now, if you prefer something with a bolder, contemporary edge, let's move on to modern pond landscaping. Creating a modern oasis. For those who appreciate sleek, contemporary aesthetics, a modern koi pond offers a bold and sophisticated statement. This style is all about clean edges, geometric forms, and striking contrasts. Inspired by modern architecture and art, this type of pond transforms a backyard into a curated landscape. Every detail is intentional. Every material adds to the visual impact. Key design elements. Geometric pond shapes. Think sharp angles, rectangular or L-shaped ponds that create a strong architectural presence. Concrete and metal finishes. Instead of natural stone, use polished concrete or black steel accents for a refined look. Integrated water features. A cascading sheet waterfall, an infinity edge, or a minimalist spillway adds movement and elegance. Dramatic lighting. LED uplighting beneath the water surface. Floating lights that enhance the pond at night. A well-placed lighting setup transforms the entire ambience. Sculptural plants. Tall grasses, bonsai trees, or structured aquatic plants to reinforce the modern aesthetic. The final look. A modern koi pond is more than just a water feature. It's an architectural masterpiece, a seamless extension of a modern home's design. With the right balance of water, materials, and lighting, the space feels dramatic yet effortlessly elegant. But if modern minimalism isn't your style, and you crave something more warm and inviting, let's explore the charm of traditional pond landscaping. Embracing traditional charm. For those who appreciate the timeless beauty of classic landscapes, a traditional koi pond offers a warm, inviting, and harmonious retreat. Inspired by English gardens, cottage landscapes, and historical water features, this design style blends seamlessly with nature, creating a space that feels organic and serene. Key design elements. Natural curves and organic shapes. Unlike the strict lines of modern ponds, traditional koi ponds embrace gentle curves that mimic the flow of natural water bodies. Rustic materials. A combination of weathered stone, aged wood, and natural brick creates a timeless, well-worn look, enhancing the sense of history and charm. Cascading waterfalls. A tiered waterfall or a gentle stream flowing into the pond adds movement and a soothing ambience. Lush, flowering plants. Marginal plants like water lilies, irises, and lotus soften the pond's edges and create a dreamy, romantic feel. Classic garden structures. A wooden bridge, an antique-style fountain, or wrought iron garden seating enhances the nostalgic atmosphere. The final look. A traditional koi pond is a reflection of timeless elegance. A space where nature and design merge effortlessly. Whether it's the sound of water trickling over stones, the vibrant bloom of water lilies, or the gentle ripples created by koi fish, every element contributes to an atmosphere of tranquility and nostalgia. Now that we've explored different styles, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any pond design: choosing the right plants. Choosing the perfect pond plants. A well-designed koi pond isn't just about water and fish. Aquatic plants play a crucial role in maintaining water quality, adding visual interest, and creating a balanced ecosystem. The right selection of plants can transform an ordinary pond into a breathtaking natural sanctuary. Key plant categories. 1. Floating plants, elegance and shade. Floating plants not only add beauty but also provide shade, reducing algae growth and keeping the water cool. Water lilies, a classic choice, with large, vibrant blooms that float gracefully on the surface. Lotus flowers, symbolic and elegant, creating a dramatic focal point. Water lettuce and duckweed, small, fast-growing plants that offer natural water filtration. 2. Marginal plants, softening the pond's edges. Marginal plants grow along the pond's edges, blending the water feature into the surrounding landscape. Iris and cattails, tall and striking, perfect for adding vertical interest. Papyrus and horsetail, exotic-looking plants that bring a dynamic, architectural element. Marsh marigold, bright yellow flowers that introduce cheerful, seasonal color. 3. Submerged oxygenating plants, natural water purifiers. These plants grow beneath the water's surface, helping to oxygenate the pond and maintain crystal-clear water. Anacharis, Elodia, a popular choice for absorbing excess nutrients and preventing algae blooms. Hornwort and kabomba, ideal for improving water quality while providing shelter for koi. Creating a balanced ecosystem. A successful koi pond integrates a mix of these plant types. Floating plants for shade, marginal plants for natural framing, and submerged plants for oxygenation. This combination enhances both the pond's aesthetics and its overall health. Now, let's take it a step further. How can you personalize your pond to make it truly unique? Building your pond vision. A koi pond is more than just a water feature. It's a personal sanctuary, a reflection of your taste, creativity, and connection with nature. By incorporating unique elements, you can transform a simple pond into a truly breathtaking masterpiece. 1. Incorporate unique features. Add a signature touch. Want to make your pond stand out? Consider adding distinctive elements that elevate its visual appeal. A charming wooden bridge, whether arched like in a Japanese garden or rustic and natural, a bridge creates depth and interest. A decorative gazebo or pergola, providing shade and a relaxing spot to enjoy the pond's beauty. A sculptural fountain, a tiered fountain, a bubbling rock, or a custom metal sculpture adds movement and an artistic flair. A cascading waterfall, a carefully placed waterfall creates a soothing soundscape and enhances the pond's natural look. 2. Personalize the design. Make it truly yours. Your koi pond should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Whether you prefer a meditative retreat, an artistic statement, or a vibrant gathering space. For a Zen-inspired escape, keep it simple. Natural stones, soft lighting, and minimalistic elements. For a lively entertainment space, add underwater LED lighting, a deck for seating, and bold, colorful plants. For a wildlife-friendly pond, introduce a small wetland area with native plants and encourage birds, butterflies, and dragonflies. 3. Maintenance considerations. Beauty that lasts. A beautiful pond is one that remains clean and thriving. Here are some essential tips to ensure longevity. Use a high-quality filtration system to maintain water clarity. Regularly trim plants to prevent overgrowth. Monitor koi health and maintain the right balance of fish and plants. Clean debris to keep the water fresh and oxygenated. The final transformation. With thoughtful planning, a koi pond becomes more than just a feature in your garden. It becomes an experience, a place of peace, beauty, and harmony. Whether modern, traditional, or uniquely yours. The possibilities are endless. Creating your dream pond. Now that you have the inspiration and knowledge to create a stunning koi pond, it's time to bring your vision to life. Choose the style that speaks to you, incorporate the right elements, and design a space that brings you joy every day. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Archon Aesthetic Studio. Share this video with friends and family on WhatsApp to inspire them. And let us know in the comments, what style of koi pond would you love to create? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.